Alright, today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken broom. The first thing that you're going to need is a broken broom. Alright, you're also going to need some duct tape and some chopsticks. If you don't have chopsticks, you need something about as firm as chopsticks. You're also going to need a pair of scissors. So let's get started. First, you're going to straighten the broom into the position that you want it at, and this position is going to be vertical. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some tape off of the spool. Did I say that right? And then you're going to line up one of the chopsticks with the broom on one side of the broken half. And the point of this is just to simply keep the chopsticks in place. We are going to do a finish roll at the end. So as you can see, I did one in on one side of the broken broom, and then on the other part of the broken broom I'm going to do the same thing with some duct tape, as well as I'm going to put a chopstick on the other end, so it's on the opposite side of the first chopstick. And of course, like I said, I'm just holding this in place, and I'm going to take another piece of duct tape and go ahead and roll that as well. Alright, so going to roll that up in place, and I'm just going to roll it to the side. Now, if you have other chopsticks, metal chopsticks are preferred, go ahead and place them on the side. You see, I'll have one chopstick on one side, another chopstick on the other side, and now I'm placing a third chopstick on the side that's not doesn't have anything on it. So I'm going to place this chopstick just like this, and I'm just going to roll this around in place. Now this process should take no longer than 5 to 10 minutes, and if it does take longer than that, maybe you need to reevaluate what you're doing. Alright, so I'm just going to tape this into place, and last but not least, I'm going to add a fourth chopstick to the mix. Now doing this should allow the broom to be pretty sturdy for when I am brooming around. Is that a word? Brooming around my place. Okay, so I'm going to put that in place, and just like the other three chopsticks, I'm going to do the fourth chopstick similarly, you know what I'm saying, into place. I'm just ripping the duct tape and placing it over the fourth chopstick. And now I have four chopsticks on four different sides of the broom, as you can see. Now is to take the duct tape and then go bat crazy on this. Now when I say bat crazy, I'm going to take the duct tape and I'm just going to keep on taping around, making sure the chopsticks are securely in place and will not budge around or move around, however you want to call it. So I'm just going to take the duct tape and continuously roll around the broom just like this. Now doing so is going to keep them in place, and it's going to keep the broom steady so I can broom almost like it was when the broom was new, but only it's not new. It's improvised because of a broken broom. Alright. So like, just rip off that last piece of tape, and if you see any more bending, you might want to add a little bit more tape just to make sure that the chopsticks are in place. As you can see, I'm going back towards the top and going around. This can be quite monotonous, but once you do it once, it should stay in place, and you won't ever have to worry about having a bent broom or broken broom. As you can see right here, looks just like brand new except for there's tape on it. It works, it doesn't bend, and that's how you fix a broken broom. Let me know if you have any questions.